What are the common challenges you're hearing from businesses in 2023?
Well, if I could say it's both opportunity and challenge, and I'd go back to people. No surprise in that for me everything goes back to people. But look at our context. Lowest unemployment rate in a long time. 3.5%. If you overlay that with, I think, particularly coming off the back of years of good times, so to speak, as well. People are used to getting things perhaps a little bit more easily. There's a sense of waiting or relying on businesses or the government to give me what I'm due. And I'm not just talking the millennial supposed mindset, and I dispute that. I think it's too broad a brush to think that millennials just want things too early. I don't necessarily agree with that, but I do think that people aren't as readily available to look after themselves and commit to things which sometimes are a little bit hurty. And so there's a lot of me first and then everyone else. And so particularly when you're on projects, and I've seen this, and this is probably, if you like, one of the unfortunate parts, when I'm in a consulting leadership role, so program director or the like, look, I have no joy in moving people on from a project. But I do those things because it's necessary sometimes to make sure you've got the right team. If I can't help an individual or a team become a better version of themselves, then I have to go and find someone else. In a low unemployment environment, unfortunately, some people will opt out because things can get a bit hard. And for me, in the space I'm in, when you are going, in a journey from a point A to point B, it's always going to be hard. Because if change was easy, everyone would be able to just do it.